Next up, we still have bok choy. I'm going to do a similar thing. I'm going to take off some of those leaves, and I'm going to get a bowl here, and I'm going to put kind of my stalks right in, like so. I rinse this first just because bok choy, kind of like celery or anything like that, can sometimes accumulate a little bit of sand or something from the soil. Okay, so again, I'm going back to the Dimitri olive oil, which is our local olive oil around here. I'm going to take a little bit of soy sauce. So we're basically using a lot of those ingredients, the same ingredients that we used before. Take a little bit of the teriyaki-ish kind of stuff. I'm going to take just a touch more of the citrus here. Then we'll get a little bit more of this toasted sesame oil here. And I'm going to just take the whole kit and caboodle and toss them. So basically we have these big stalks of bok choy, and we'll put those right on the pan. Lay those out there like so. Cool. Then on the other side of my pan, let me bring this up here so we can all see what's going on. We have some of the Chesapeake blue catfish. Now, for those of you who have not heard about it, the blue catfish is an invasive species in the Chesapeake Bay, and we need to eat our way out of it. It's really good tasting, which is helpful, but it's invasive. It has no natural predators except us, and so the idea is to eat it every kind of way that you can. It fries up beautifully, which is great. It bakes, it grills, it has a lovely texture. The native catfish can be a little bit mushy in texture. Also, since it's a bottom feeder, it has a little bit of murky flavor. So a lot of people who grew up here and only had the native catfish say, oh, you gotta try this blue catfish. It'll help it get it out of the bay, but it tastes so good. All right, now here I have a little bit of salt and pepper. Use some kosher salt and coarsely ground black pepper. And then I'm gonna use a little bit of Old Bay on it too. I use that just a little bit. It gives it a really nice flavor. Sometimes when I fry this, I just take it, make a little bit of flour, Old Bay, put it in, deep fry it. That's some good eating too. All right, look at this. This is just a dinner waiting to go. All I gotta do is pop this in the oven, maybe 15 minutes at 375. We have dinners already. All right, I'm all about sheet pan dinners, and we just did it with our bok choy and the local Chesapeake blue catfish. Look at this. Lovely right there. Then we're gonna take, and the bok choy really holds up. This was about 15-20 minutes, and it's still nice and firm. Still has a little bit of crunch to it. Do just this like this. You could also have a little side of tangy noodles. Bam, you got a beautiful, beautiful sheet pan dinner.